Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and today we're doing our festive Freebie Friday. I unfortunately don't have any freebies to share with y'all this week because it's been one of those weeks, and all of a sudden it's Friday and I haven't collected any freebies yet like I normally do. So we're just doing our roll-in and saving today. I think I had $20 here, but I gave $2 away to the kids in the neighborhood. They come get my trash, and I give them a couple dollars to take my trash up. So it's like a win-win situation because I feel like I have a hard time remembering, and they have a fun time, earning some money. So we all enjoy it. So I think I had $18 here, which is not a lot, but it adds up, and we're slowly but surely making progress on all these things. I think we have like 40 some dollars in our Easter savings, which is coming up next month, and I don't think I need that much. Probably like 50 would be fine, because I'm just going to get Aria an Easter basket. I don't have any plans like to make a big dinner or anything, so it's going to be pretty chill. But some candy and Easter basket, that's about it. So, all right, so this one is a Christmas one by Overthinking and Budgeting. We are adding 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we get to do 2 of these hats right here. All right, so this one is getting close to being done. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. With this one so far. All right, our next challenge here is by Ange Budget and Debt. This one is for Easter. We are adding $2 today, so we can fill in another one of these, and we should have $6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay. Next, we have this one, which we are using to save for Christmas as well, because I feel like Christmas is going to be expensive, as it always is, and we want to start saving now. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have this one hanging out still. But I feel like as Christmas approaches, we will amp up. We will get it amped up and save more and more for Christmas. After Easter, I feel like, what's coming up next? Oh, this one didn't get anything. I don't know why I'm taking it out. This one got nothing, but this one is by me. Oh, did I even say? This one is by Rainy Day April. This one is by me. And then this one is a birthday one. It's by Saving with Tiffany. Aria's birthday is today, actually, as I'm filming it. It's the 27th. So she was born 5 years ago today, in 2020. Cannot believe it. So this will be going towards, I guess, my birthday, which is in July. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that we are saving with this. So we're gonna do 5 here and 1. There we go. All right. So yeah, her birthday was today. I woke her up this morning with a muffin and a candle, and I sang happy birthday to her. All right, sorry, I'm back. I had to get Aria some water. All right, so this one is by Cash Money Budgets, and it is for Christmas. We are saving 1, 2, 3, and 4 with this one. So we have a 4 right here. We can just fill this one in. Perfect. I got Aria a binder for her birthday with her own little savings challenges in it. So she was excited about that. I gave that to her today. And yeah, she had a good birthday. So thank you to everyone who's been thinking about her, wishing her well. We are doing her party tomorrow at my friend's house, and I'm hoping that goes well. And I'm ready for it to be done because it's stressful as a mom. I feel like just a lot going on. But yeah, I'm thankful that I've been her mom for 5 years and excited to celebrate her life tomorrow with some friends. So, or not tomorrow, I guess Saturday, but tomorrow when you're watching this on Friday. Anyways, so complicated. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.